Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to send out a quick correction for yesterday's lecture. There's a small problem with exporting out as a animated GIF. Unfortunately, the nested animations within the movie clip will not play when we choose that particular format. So the fix for that is for us to change from a movie clip symbol to a graphic symbol. And I've got a couple of examples here. Here in the first one, we will see that the wheels don't move and the car doesn't bounce up and down, but the main action on the main timeline does play. So we need to be able to fix that. The easiest way to do that is to change the behavior of our movie clip symbol, the main one on the stage. We're going to go ahead and make sure we have it selected. We go up to the properties and simply click where it says movie clip and change that to graphic. Now, if you have more than 2 keyframes for this particular instance, you will need to change it in every keyframe. So you'll notice that I only have the 2, and I changed it in the first keyframe and the last keyframe. I'm going to go ahead and save that. If I were to export this out now as our animated GIF, it will play properly. I'm going to go ahead and save this real quick. So now that that one's done, I will bring it up so you can see it. And we'll see that the nested animations do play properly, whereas they did not when it was a movie clip. If you have questions about this or not sure how to do it, be sure and drop me a message. You can always stop by my office anytime as well. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see everybody next Tuesday.